Standing alongside of me is what we call Double Ditch. It's a year-round flowing stream, and every fall and spring we have salmon and steelhead that come up here and spawn. We hear all about the Puget Sound orcas, how they survive only on salmon. The recovery of salmon is very important to us. We got an email last week from Washington State Department of Agriculture asking us if we had water flow in front of our place. I got a phone call a little bit later from Whatcom family farmers and said there's been a blockage in the stream north in Canada, and there is a huge fish kill going on. I said, well, here's a possible solution for you. How about throwing some irrigation water in there for a while to get things rolling while we get this blockage taken care of? So lo and behold, the next morning we shut our irrigation sprinkler down. We started dumping water from our well right into the creek to augment flow, and it started filling up the stream nicely. The irrigation that we're shutting off is irrigating the crops, which are our winter feed supply for the cows. I says, well, you know, I'll give up a few days of irrigation on my crops to help you guys out. It's a team effort too. We don't just do it as farmers. We work with the Department of Fish and Wildlife. We work with the Conservation District. We work with ecology. And all of us working together, we can do it. Nobody wants to see fish die.